Good morning, students. In our grammar section, our today's topic is reported speech. There are two ways of reporting the speech of a person. First, we may report the actual words used by the speaker as, "The boy says, 'This is my school.' He said to me, 'I am not well today.' I said to him, 'What are you doing?' She said to me, 'Please help me.' Now, in these sentences, the actual words of the speaker are given within inverted commas. As you can see, for example, she said to me. Now, जो she ने कहा वो words हैं inverted comma में. What did she say? Please help me. Now, there is no change here. This way of reporting the exact words of the speaker is called direct speech or direct narration. Secondly, we may report the substance of the speaker's words and not the exact words spoken by him. यानी जो exact word speaker ने कहे हम उन्हें change करके यानी particular जो कहा है उसका meaning या तो हम explain कर दें. That means report the substance of the speaker's words. Now see the change. The first sentence, the boy says that is his school. Now ये जो that है हमें पता है जब हम direct to indirect convert करते हैं sentence को it is used. Now यहाँ पे that यानी जो boy ने refer किया this is my school, हम उसकी बात को indirect way में बता रहे हैं. उसने बताया कि वो उसकी school है. Second sentence, he told me that he was not well that day. Now जिस दिन उसने ये बात कही थी हम उसके according बता रहे हैं कि उसने कहा था. बिकॉज यहाँ पे said to है इसीलिए यहाँ पे told आया है. ओके, he told me that he was not well that day. Today जब पर्सन ने डायरेक्टली कहा था तो वो उस दिन की बात थी. उन्होंने उस दिन कहा कि मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. पर जब हम इनडायरेक्ट वे में उसे रिपोर्टिंग कर रहे हैं तो ये आएगा he was not well that day. Third sentence, I asked him what he was doing. Now I asked to him. यहाँ पे ये एक तरह की इंक्वायरी हो रही है. What are you doing? तो मैंने उससे पूछा था कि वो क्या कर रहा था. Fourth sentence we have, she said to me. Now यहाँ पे request है क्योंकि please help me एक तरह की request है. So she requested me to help her. यानी यहाँ पे जो स्पीकर हैं वो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं हेल्प के लिए. In these sentences, the actual words of the speaker have not been reported. यानी जो actual words उन्होंने कहे थे as it is हमने report नहीं किए हैं. Only the substance of the speaker's words is given. This way of reporting the words of a speaker is called indirect speech or indirect narration. Reporting verb and reported speech. Look at the following sentences. Mohan says, I will go to Delhi tomorrow. Sohan said to the shopkeeper, please give me a packet of blades. Have you any news from my family? Asked the trader. I won't deceive my friend, replied Arun. May God pardon the sinner, said he. Now the verbs usually say or said जो यहाँ है आप देख सकते हैं मोहन says, सोहन said, which generally comes before the inverted commas or the part outside the inverted commas. These are called the reporting verb. In the above sentences, says, said, asked, replied and said are the reporting verbs. The part within the inverted commas or the exact words of the speaker given within the inverted commas is called the reported speech. That means जो inverted comma के अंदर है, the part within the inverted commas जो उनकी you can see as the sentence I will go to Delhi tomorrow. This is termed as a reported speech. और इस sentence में जो outer part है मोहन says that is the reporting verb. So these are, you can understand with examples, the reporting verb and reported speech. Now we need to remember the following points about direct speech and indirect speech. For the direct one, the actual words of the speaker are put within inverted commas. As you can see, the example here, the actual words are in inverted commas. Second, the reported speech is separated from the reporting verb by a comma. As you can see here, comma is given. Okay, Mohan says comma. The first word of reported speech begins with a capital letter. That means these are the three aspects we need to remember in a direct speech. Now, in indirect speech, no inverted commas are used. The commas separating the reporting verb from the reported speech is removed. The reported speech is introduced by some conjunction, that is, that, it, what, why, etc., depending upon the sentence. The reporting verb changes according to tense. यानी tense को जानना बहुत important है to change it accordingly. The tense of the reporting verb is never changed. यानी जो reporting verb है उसका tense कभी change नहीं होता है. The marks of punctuation other than full stop are removed. यानी full stop के अलावा जो other punctuation marks हैं they are removed. There is no sign of interrogation or exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Clear? The reported speech is changed into assertive sentences. Normally आप देखेंगे जो reported speech है that is changed into the simple sentences. Okay? जो sentences हैं change होते हैं that are assertive sentences. So these are the basic criteria you need to keep in mind about the direct and indirect speech. Just go through the content. I'll be sharing the pic with you along with the examples we have read here. If you have any queries, let me know in the feedback in our WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you class.